Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to begin by wishing you guys a very happy new year. I hope you guys had an amazing start. I hope you guys had an amazing start to 2018. There's some construction going on in the next building and it is annoying AF. I wanted to share something very special with you guys. I got a very exciting package in the mail today and it's from one of you guys. So her name is Ivon Johnson. She is from Indiana, US, and she has sent me so many items. Literally, she has started my new year with a bang and with so many gifts. I really can't thank you enough for all these gifts. I mean, I am so overwhelmed right now and I'm so touched. Thank you so much. I'm going to start showing you guys what all did she send me. I am super excited because this is my first ever fan gift unboxing. Well, not unboxing actually. I opened it before because I couldn't wait. But I'm going to share it with you guys anyways. So I'm going to start off with beauty items. The first thing is this set of 3 lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills. These shades are perfect for me because I can totally see myself using these on a daily basis. So thank you. There's going to be a lot of thank yous in this video, so just warning you. Next item is also a lipstick. This one is by SEPHORA in the shade 01 Always Red. You guys know how much I love lipsticks and this one is such a beautiful red. I cannot wait to try it. Next item she sent is this EOS Crystal Weightless Hydration Lip Balm. This one is the Vanilla Orchid one. You are not going to believe, I have been wanting to try the EOS lip balms only because I have heard so many good things about it, and thanks to her I get to try it. Thank you so much once again. The next item she sent me is Maybelline's Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Guys, this is my favorite drugstore primer and you guys should totally give it a shot. So thank you so much. I have been using this and I'm almost running out of this. The next item she sent me is their Real Benefit Mascara. This one is one of my favorite mascaras, guys. I have the travel size as well, and again I was running out of this, so the last thing in the beauty section is this, which is my favorite. This is the Michael Kors Rose Radiant Gold perfume. This must have cost you a fortune. I mean, I am so overwhelmed. Thank you so much. And Michael Kors is one of my favorite brands, and rose gold. Moving on to accessories, she sent me these shades. How cute are these? You can see my fairy lights in them and my camera as well. So I love these. They are perfect and I can't wait to wear it when I go out. The next item she sent me is this cap. I love this cap and I love the print on it as well, so I really cannot wait to wear this outside. The next item that she sent me is this top. It's a high neck top with full sleeves and it's a cold shoulder top. It's my favorite. If you don't know already, I love anything that's high neck and full sleeves. It's just so me. I feel like you've put in so much thought into all of these gifts. That is so sweet. I mean, each and every product is something that I love or that I'm obsessed with. So that's very, very sweet of you. Next item is this light shade distressed denim. I love the light shade and I think the fit is like mom jeans. I'm gonna wear these denims with the black top and the black cap, so I cannot wait to actually wear it. Last but not the least, she sent me these coordinates. So this is the crop top. I absolutely love the print on this one, and along with this came this maxi skirt. It is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear it. I am so grateful that I have such amazing viewers. I mean, thank you so much for sending me that package. It really meant a lot to me. And also a big thank you to every one of you who watches my videos and comments and leaves a like. It really does mean a lot to me. So thank you so much. So done with the unboxing. I am just stepping out now for a meeting that I have, and yeah, that's where I'm headed. By the way, what's your New Year's resolution? I would love to know. Leave it in the comment section below. I am basic. No. Chal, I have a camera and something basic. Are you going to Zara? तू पता नहीं जो heading out to meet a couple of friends. We're just playing some games and having dinner. So this is my outfit of the night. This is the top that I received yesterday, and these pants are by New Look. I'm also wearing the shade that I received yesterday. It's this one. Okay. I just got home and I had a lovely time with my friends. I just wanted to show you guys this lip balm that I got yesterday. I mean, look at it. It is so perfect. Like, I don't even want to use it, you know what I mean? Like these products that look so pretty that you just want to keep it untouched. This is one of them, but I think I'm going to use it anyway, so I'm going to try it on camera for the first time. Oh my god, this feels so heavenly on my lips. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much for sending the perfect lip balm. I mean, I feel like you know me so well just by looking at my videos. I mean, it does mean a lot to me. So thank you so much. Now I think I'm just gonna finish my work and then go to sleep. By the way, I want to tell you guys today. So I got an email from YouTube today. Apparently there was one music that I used which was copyrighted, which I was not aware of. So guys, be really careful of the music that you upload. I do not want you guys to get a copyright strike. So I've just emailed them saying that I was unaware of the copyright situation. So I hope that they can take their claim off. So fingers crossed. Good morning. Hi, Chicky. No? No? No photo? No? Okay, no photo. I'm just going to get myself a pedicure because the last few days have been insane. My event was on Sunday. Unfortunately, I can never vlog on that day because it's a mad day. So hopefully next time I will try and get some footages for you guys, so you'll know what I do basically. on a jacket because it's quite chilly in Goa for a change. By the way, I did not mention that I got the pedicure done at Shape and Shine Salon and Spa. They are located in Donapaula. I'm going to leave their exact address and the contact details in the info box. It is hands down by far the best pedicure I have ever had. My feet were aching before I went and I felt so relaxed. So I definitely recommend that you guys give it a shot and let me know how you guys like it. Also, Shape and Shine were kind enough to give you guys a discount coupon. So in case you guys go there, you can just use this code mentioned here and you can get a discount. Twinkle, show everyone your gift. Pri got this from Bali for all of us. So Twinkle got a maroon color. I kept myself a brown color and Natty got white.
Natty didn't get a choice.
Yeah, she doesn't know that.
Bye.
Bye. Did you get yourself one?
Yeah.
What's your color?
I feel so conscious right now, not being focused on me. Mine was grey.
Oh.
Giselle got blue. She picked blue and Viola picked brown. Lighter.
Oh. Thank you, Pri.
You're welcome. Please come this. It's damn awkward.
I feel like this is my ending the vlog spot because most of my vlogs I have ended by sitting in this very exact spot on my bed. So yeah, I'm also considering getting a PO box, so let me know how you guys like the idea. I just feel like I'll be able to connect a little better with you guys, so let me know in the comment section what you feel about that. And having said that, I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Oh, and subscribe if you haven't already and like this video. Bye. Mwah.